All right, so I get asked a lot by patients all the time that what is the cause of cancer? It's interesting how one of the common questions you get when you're dealing with any condition, one of the questions patients ask is, what's the cause? But there's no one cause of cancer in that sense. Different cancers have different causes. But one of the things I want to talk about is what is cancer itself generally. And cancer is an interesting thing because it's such a magnificent metaphor for many kinds of problems. So what's a cancer? A cancer is uncontrolled, undifferentiated growth. Yes, a cancer is a growth. Remember, growth is a characteristic of living things. A cancer too is a growth, but it's a bad kind of growth. A cancer is a horrible growth because what is growing is not functional. It's not doing the normal work that those cells should do or that part of the body should do. Two, it is also consuming huge resources from the body. The things that normal cells will use, because it's a growth, it is demanding those same things. It's taking up oxygen, it's taking up glucose, it's taking up useful, valuable resources from the body. And three, one of the bad things about cancer cells is that it can make other cells into cancer cells. Cancer cells are undifferentiated, unregulated growth that happens in the body, caused by various things, some by viruses, some by certain kinds of food, triggers, environmental triggers, and the likes. GMOs are a huge thing that people are talking about right now, and there's a lot of validity to it. So, one of the ways you can prevent it is to do your annual medical checkups. In your annual medical checkup, you should do your upper GI endoscopy, lower GI endoscopy, age adjusted, of course. Okay, and then tumor markers are a very valuable tool as well in screening and detecting certain kinds of cancers. But always go to your medical practitioner for help, and you can get direction on exactly which kind, especially if it has happened in anybody in your family. A lot of cancers have a strong family connection, so that's really important. What is a cancer? Keep that in mind as you do your annual checkup, especially if you had anybody in your family who's had a cancer before. And remember, health is wealth. Stay healthy.